Okay, we're just about done here. We have we're now at the point of confession, absolution, scripture reading, children's sermon, message. For those, we just use one slide, which we'll go ahead and put in there. That gets edited, or one presentation rather. That gets edited to have the particular references. So I'll look up Bible. And Bible 2 or Bible 3. Bible 3 will work. Or Bible 2. Maybe we'll do Bible 2 this week. Take that one. I'm going to drag it down there so that that's where the scripture reference will go. And we have the message, song Good Good Father, which is, I believe, in there already. I'll just go ahead and add that. So hop back here. Going back up here to the library to find it. Good. There's Good Good Father. Pop that one in after that. And let's see, offering song down here. Then we're going to have prayer. Let me get prayer in there. So basically, we're just kind of populating out the service here. So I'm going to say there's one called Praying Together. It's kind of nice. We'll put that one in there. And then our closing song will be the last thing, which is Never Once. That one should also be already in the library. The ones that are in the library are really quite easy, so it's just those others that are a little trickier. There's Never Once. And there's our service. The other thing that we'll do is once I have the announcements from Carrie and get that built out, I'll copy that one, make a copy of that particular presentation, and delete these 3 slides here, the silence your phone, the childcare one, and the Wi-Fi password. Since those are really applicable primarily at the beginning of the service, I'll delete those from what plays at the end. So I'll make a closing announcements presentation to go at the end. So that's kind of the basics of it. Thank you for your service to the Lord and to His church, and God's blessings.